create a professional profile on your Houzz application. So in this video guys, I will show you step by step how to do this. So just follow this video till the end, but please don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel if you want to support our content. So let's start. First you need to open your Houzz application like I'm doing right now. After this it will open directly on your home page. As you can see right now, just go and open your profile. So here on your profile, come to this pen icon in the header of the screen. You will find here create professional profile. Click on it. Then here you will add your company name, for example your category, for example, is architect, your phone number if you have, your country, for example, I will just add, for example, Latvia, I don't know, but I must have like phone number. They're creating a business profile and then start using Houzz Pro for free, or just skip, and that's it guys. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.